In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an Excel spreadsheet. To begin, open Excel and look at the home screen. In the top left area, you will see the option for blank workbook. Click that to start a new spreadsheet from scratch. This gives you an empty grid where you can enter and organize your information. Once the blank workbook opens, move to the top left corner of the grid and click cell A1. This is a common starting point because it is the first cell in the spreadsheet. You can think of this area as the place where your column titles or headers will go. Type your first header name into cell A1. Your header should describe the type of information that will appear underneath it, so choose a label that is clear and easy to understand. After entering the first header, press the Tab key on your keyboard. This will move your selection one cell to the right, into cell B1. Using the Tab key is a quick and simple way to move across columns while entering information. In cell B1, type your second header name. Just like the first one, this should clearly describe the data you plan to place in that column. Now that your headers are in place, click cell A2, which is directly below your first header. This is where you will begin entering your actual spreadsheet data. Type your first data entry into that cell. This creates the first row of information under your header and starts building out your spreadsheet in a structured way. At this point, it is a good idea to save your work so you do not lose any progress. Go to the top left menu bar and click the File tab. This will open the file options for your workbook. In the left sidebar, click Save. You will then see a text box in the center of the window where you can name your spreadsheet. Type a name that will help you recognize the file later. Choosing a clear file name makes it easier to find your spreadsheet when you need it again. Finally, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the window. Your spreadsheet will now be saved, and you can continue adding more rows, columns, and information whenever you are ready. That covers everything you need to know.